Process enrollment, individual policy. Customer TPA company, implementation 2 months. Manual, process using structured information, predefined rules. 5% exception rate. Downloading the policy information. Create the policies in the TPA portal along with the beneficiaries. Process for all the policies within a strict deadline. Keep your money. Family insurance, health insurance, property insurance. Keep your life. For each and every insurer, they will be having different logins. Insurance types: health insurance, home insurance, travel insurance, car insurance, life insurance, motor insurance. Volumes: they have to renew policies of nearly 6,000 policies every month, FT 100, AHT 24 hours. One department and involved 3 applications: Insurer Portal, MS Excel and TPA Portal. Any solution? Solution is automation. Deployed an unattended bot. Download data from Insurer Portal automatically in scheduled time. Validate and format the data to renew it in the TPA portal. Bot start creating policy in TPA portal, where various steps are involved. Huge time savings and helps the team to achieve the SLA. Reduction of work stress. We concentrate on core business work. The benefits: 90% of effort automated, AHT reduced by 95%, significantly improved SLAs, ROI in 2 months, 90 FTEs redeployed, increased operational quality. Soft benefits: error rates reduced to 0%, improved SLA and accuracy, employees focused on more meaningful work. To automate any process using intelligent process automation, robotics process automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and chatbot, reach out to us. Ganesh Somasundaram. Mobile number +9 1-988-4404-893. Email idgs@ctdtext.com. Website www.ctdtext.com. LinkedIn linkedin.com/in/gpillai.